Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best solar pathway lights for sustainable illumination on Amazon. Illuminate outdoor spaces sustainably, harnessing the power of the sun to provide eco-friendly and enchanting lighting along paths and gardens. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Incx Solar Pathway Lights. The Incx solar pathway lights are a brilliant solution to illuminate and enhance outdoor spaces. These lights are designed to provide efficient and eco-friendly lighting for your outdoors. Each pack comes with 12 solar lights that each boast 8 energy-saving LED lights. Harnessing the sun's power, these lights offer up to 8 to 10 hours of runtime with just 8 hours of sunshine, ensuring a bright and inviting ambience during the evening hours. Crafted with a combination of stainless steel and durable plastic, these lights are built to withstand the elements. Their IP65 waterproof rating and sturdy stainless steel body ensure their resilience in outdoor environments, effectively protecting them from water and fog for long-lasting performance. What we like about it? Crafted with stainless steel and plastic. The light sensor turns lights on at night. Tool-free installation process. What we don't like about it? Their plastic stakes may break easily. Number 2. Solpex Solar Pathway Lights. With their attractive design featuring double rings, the Solpex Solar Pathway Lights create captivating snowflake-like lighting patterns that add a touch of elegance to your walkway. Their bright and vivid illumination is made possible by the high-quality construction, which includes polysilicon solar panels, rechargeable batteries, and corrosion-resistant ABS plastic. These durable materials ensure that the lights can withstand various weather conditions, providing reliable performance, whether sunny, rainy, or even snowy. Being 100% solar-powered, they automatically charge during the day, utilizing sunlight to provide 8 to 12 hours of illumination at night. What we like about it? Attractive design with striking snowflake-like lighting patterns. High-quality construction for long-lasting performance. Energy-saving operation with automatic on-off function. What we don't like about it? No adjustable brightness settings. Number 3. Jumer Solar Pathway Lights. The Jumer Solar Pathway Lights are perfect for illuminating and enhancing outdoor spaces. With a 12-pack of these 8 LED solar ground lights, you'll enjoy a hassle-free lighting solution that adds charm and safety to your garden. The solar-powered design harnesses the sun's energy, providing bright illumination for up to 8 hours after a full charge without additional electricity. Thanks to the advanced lighting covering material and stainless steel lamp shell, these lights are also waterproof, P65 grade, making them durable and suitable for use in any weather conditions, from heavy rain to snow. Each light comes with 2 rivet positioning, allowing for a quick and secure setup in just 15 to 20 seconds. What we like about it? Reduce your carbon footprint and electricity bill. Stainless steel lamp shell and waterproof build. The positioning system allows for effortless installation. What we don't like about it? May blend slightly on hard ground. Number 4. Magift Solar Pathway Lights. Powered by solar energy, the Magift Solar Pathway Lights are a sustainable and eco-friendly lighting solution for your patio, yard, or driveway. With no need for electricity, the solar panel provides long-term operation, charging during the day and automatically illuminating at night. The convenient on-off switch ensures easy control, and the lights turn off automatically at dawn. They are compact yet provide a warm, gentle glow that adds a charming decorative touch to your pathways and garden. These solar lights are designed for durability and convenience. With a waterproof rating of IP44 and weatherproof construction, you can trust them to withstand various weather conditions, including rain, snow, frost, and sleet. What we like about it? Harness free solar energy for sustainable operation. Designed to withstand various weather conditions. Hassle-free setup, no wiring is required. What we don't like about it? Low brightness, primarily decorative. Number 5. Gigolumi Solar Pathway Lights. The Gigolumi Solar Pathway Lights outdoor are the perfect solution for illuminating your garden, pathway, walkway, lawn, or yard. The lights run on a premium solar panel with a high-capacity rechargeable battery that ensures they can absorb more sunlight and convert it into electricity. After 6 to 8 hours of charging, these lights will provide up to 8 to 10 hours of continuous light. Installation of these solar landscape lights is incredibly easy, no additional tools are required. You simply remove the tab of the lamp cap, turn on the external switch, and that's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.